Hey everyone, just wanted to cut a real quick YouTube video. I'm writing a blog post. I'm going to be writing several blog posts over likely the next few weeks about a framework called Fabric, made by someone named Daniel Miessler. Anyone who's ever heard me speak about him knows I'm a huge fan. Subscribe to his newsletter, Unsupervised Learning, and play with a lot of the frameworks, a lot of the tools he develops, and one that I love, and I'm already really kind of incorporating into a lot of things, and I have big plans over the course of 2025 to incorporate it even more, is one called Fabric, and it's basically kind of I've heard him speak about it. He talks about how in the future he sees it as inevitable that we all end up with AI personal assistants that have access to everything, our email, our health records, etc., etc. And that does seem kind of inevitable. And he talks about what a huge advantage it will be for those that have one over those that don't. And I think we're even seeing that right now. The huge advantage that using AI can give you over those that really aren't comfortable, really aren't familiar with it yet. And so he talked about a few other things, and then he kind of he made a great point. He said, if you believe this is coming, and I personally do, why aren't we doing everything we can now to get there, right? To basically do that. And so towards this end, he came out with a framework called Fabric, which he describes as minimizing the friction between humans and AI, making it as easy to use as possible. So I'll be, like I said, blogging quite a bit this year on a lot of different topics, and several of them will be Fabric related. I want to do one for getting it installed on Windows, on Linux, on Mac. Well, that'll be a couple different posts, a few different things, but real quick, just to show like what the power of it is. And to give you a quick example here, if we look, I pulled up a YouTube video, and this is from Talk at DEF CON 32. We can see Vivek and friends there, and this is a 47-minute video. So imagine that a friend of yours shoots you this video, and it's like, hey, you should check this out. I think you'll absolutely love it. Well, you might, you probably will, but also we're all busy. And so maybe we just want like the super quick synopsis. So let's do this. Let's copy. Open up a command prompt, and I'm going to type YT-sum. Paste in the link to the YouTube video. We will wait a few seconds, and what we should see here now in Markdown format is, boom, there we go. The one-sentence summary of what the video was about, the main points down in here, and then the key takeaways right down in here. This is incredible. It really, really, truly is, and it can do so much more than this. If we look at if we look real quick here at Fabric, just to kind of give you a feel for it really quickly, if we look at the patterns folder, and we can see every one of these is a different prompt. Every one of these is a different prompt. YT-sum is actually just a little Windows batch file. Once again, this will be another thing to talk about. That's a wrapper around taking this summarize pattern, and we can come in here and actually read what the instructions are for that, and just kind of going out, grabbing a YouTube transcript. And so basically it just makes it to where all I do is paste in the link and boom, boom, done. And that's just an example, right? It's a really good example, in my opinion, of removing the friction between AI and human beings. So there's a lot more to talk about, but I just want to kind of give a quick demo and to show you. And if you're excited to maybe check this out, start playing with it. And I look forward to playing with a lot more few things and talking about them here. So thank you.